boys and girls, for math this week, we're just going to be doing a little reviewing of comparing numbers, talking about which is greater, which is less, and we're also going to review our numbers to 10, counting groups of objects, some of the things we've learned so far before we start our new chapter next week, okay? So today we're going to compare by counting sets to 5. So I'm going to do the first one with you to kind of show you how this goes, and then you're going to finish this page on your own, okay? You get a marker. It'll show up. You can be getting this page out of your packet and getting your name on the top. Put my name on the top of my paper. Alright, so here are what the directions say. It says count how many objects are in each set, compare the numbers, and circle the number that is greater. So remember, greater means the number that is more, has more in it. So we're going to look for the greater number in the first two, and then on the third one you're going to kind of flip it and you're going to choose the number that is less. Okay, so let's do this first one together. It said to count each set. Let's count these apples together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write a number 4 on the line. There are 4 apples. And then we're going to come down and we're going to count the bananas. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bananas, so we're going to write a 3. And then it said to circle the set that is greater. So which number is greater, or which number is more? 4 or 3? What do you think? I think it's 4. 4 is greater than 3, so I'm going to circle the 4. Okay, you're going to keep working on this page on your own. You're going to count each set in this row, and you're going to circle the number that is greater. And then in the bottom row, you're going to do something a little different. You're going to count each set. You're going to write how many, but in the bottom one, you're going to circle the number that is less. Okay, so you're going to circle the number that is less in this one. Do your best work, and we will review some more of our math concepts we've covered tomorrow.